All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So one topic that I've learned is going around about the Pixel devices is the screen protector and the fingerprint reader. Now, this video isn't to complain about the fingerprint reader. It's about screen protectors. So on this device right here, I actually have an IQ Shields, which is a wet install, and it turned out great. After having it on for a while, there's no issues with it. The fingerprint reader works good. But I ran into an issue, and I understand Google is recommending some screen protectors as well. Well, I ran into an issue. Now, I bought a 6-pack of these. This right here, speaking of these are the, let me get the package for you. Super Shields. Now, Super Shields is one that I always use outside of eye cares. But I did IQ Shield because it worked really good on the Pixel 6 Pro. But for the Pixel 6, it wasn't a thing yet. So I haven't seen any of the IQ Shields for the Pixel 6. So I went with the old backup, the Super Shields. Now, I'm going to clean this off because, and the reason I'm making this video is because the fingerprint reader is something that people are having issues with. And let's just be clear, they are. So as you can see, my fingerprint reader works fine without this screen protector. Now, this will be my 3rd time attempting to put this on and get the fingerprint reader to work. So just bear that in mind. But let's go ahead and put this on, because this is a little agitating that I can't get a fingerprint reader to work on this phone. Little frustrating. I'm freehanding this big time, but that's the way I do it sometimes. But I'm a little agitated that the screen protector for this phone isn't working. And I was going to send this back to Super Shields, but if it doesn't work after this 3rd attempt, in my experience, as much as I like Super Shields, I don't recommend you buy this one for the Pixel 6. Now, granted, you know, I've purchased a lot of screen protectors from IQ Shields. Man, I gotta move this one up. See, again, this one is cut a little different too. It's already up to the camera already, just about, but I got to go up a little bit more just to compensate for the bottom down here, it appears. So that's the first that IQ Shields has a screen protector that is not like lined up the best, but hey, anything is possible. You know, you can't have this flawless run, I always say, when it comes to the mobile world. Not everything is going to be perfect. So not a lot of bumps or bubbles and stuff in here actually though, but let's go ahead and peel this off here so I can get a good little pull. And see, it's all the way to the corner. So it's not about the quality of this screen protector. This is about the fingerprint reader not working, which is why I disabled it and took it off before. Like I don't believe I did a video on this when I got this. And I'm just kind of smoothing this by hand, folks. Normally I would do put a card on it and put it out like this, but I don't know that this will stay on. And this is a good quality screen protector because I'm able to push these out, these little bubbles, just push them out like that. And I was able to install this with the case. A little piece of dirt over there, it looks like, but no, it's good. All right, so that little bubble right there, I'll get that out right now. Apparently it decided to come on out. So I was able to push pretty much all the bubbles out. Now let's check my fingerprint reader. See, I shouldn't have to set my fingerprint reader up again, but I'm gonna do it real quick for you. So I'm gonna go in and set up my fingerprint reader again. Like the screen protector is great, but it just will not read fingerprint readers. So what I'm also gonna do is spray my fingers with an alcohol solution to make sure they're clean. So they are nice and grippy. They're not moist in any kind of way that would prevent me from being able to set up my screen protector. So we're gonna go down to security here. Security here, security. There we go. My glasses on. All right, so let's set up the fingerprint reader. See, I've already got 4 of them in there. So I'm going to add another one. And it just would not. I tried this. Now, if this works while I'm here on camera, I'm going to be a little agitated because I've tried this 4 times and it just didn't, or 2 other times, and it didn't work. No matter what I did, it just would not work. It would not allow the fingerprint reader to work. And I was just out of luck with it. So I don't believe in luck, but it just wouldn't work. So I'm setting this up real time for you here. Trying to get all sides and make sure I get it to where it's going to work. And now it says that it's set up. So 5 fingerprints in here. Let's see if it works now. it's the screen protector. It is. I've cleaned my hands. It just doesn't work. It won't work. So I don't recommend the Super Shields for your Pixel 6. I don't recommend this. And I'm going to hit them up and let them know, hey, it doesn't work. But it's a good quality screen protector. You know what I mean? So hopefully they fix this and I'm able to get the good quality that I'm getting from IQ Shields. The IQ Shields, man, I don't even have that many fingerprints set up in here. Let me see how many I have in here. I think I have like 2 or 3, and it's separate fingers. So I didn't have to do it that way. So also with the IQ Shields, 3 fingers. Just 3 fingers. I didn't have to set up my fingerprints again also with that one. So unfortunately, the IQ Shields is better, and the Super Shields, well, IQ Shields cost more anyway, but the Super Shields is kind of a more budget, affordable, friendly type screen protector that most people probably would buy for the price. But I've always rocked with them, and they've been good. So I'm gonna hit them up and tell them, don't buy this screen protector for your Pixel 6. And that's probably what I'll title this video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I shot this video in ProRes. What do you think? It's like super dark in my office. I just have 2 LEDs going. What do you think about this quality of this video in ProRes? Direct upload. See you in the next one. Take care.